Hey guys, on this video, I will be showing you how to be able to put this doghouse together. It's going to be step by step. Make sure you go ahead and take out your instructions, line up all the hardware and the screws, and I'll be showing you again how to be able to do it. I'm showing you what it looks like, and I'll also show you all the items that we have. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay, guys, we are putting this together. So just wanted to show you have to use the metal part to be able to put this. And once you be able to put the screws, so we got to put the screws, you got to put the D and the E together first. So there we go. And now we're going to do the rest, okay? Okay, guys, make sure the rails are pointed down for the floor because we had it in the wrong way. So you see the little rails right here? Make sure you put it that way. So far we got this amount up. Now we about to work on the front. So again, just put the screws right in here, and then you put the bar, and then you put the screws, and there you go. Okay? Okay, now you have to screw this G, the little curtain, on the actual front part. So that's what we're finna do. Take these screws and just put them how they already have holes in them. And do it on the inside of the actual part. Okay, guys, so me and the hubby, we had the music blasting, and you know, you get copyright infringement, so I didn't want to have any music on, so I'm just going to go ahead and just play some nice music that my hubby made, some beats, and just enjoy and watch, and hopefully this video help you. If it's helping you already, if you will, please go ahead and press that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated, okay? Okay, guys, we have it together. It is so cute. So cute. It say that it take 30 minutes to get together. I'm not gonna say 30 minutes. I'm gonna say about a good hour and a half, possibly two. I guess it depends on if you use a drill. We wound up not using a drill because you don't want to do it too tight, but it looks really nice. It is really cute. It got a little porch. And I was so worried about the door, but it's got like this little plastic door that you can go in and out, and she got so much room. I'm so excited. And it's nice and sturdy, y'all, because I've seen so many different dogs' houses that was not sturdy. When I say this is sturdy, it is sturdy. So there we go. Stay tuned. I'm gonna give her a little nameplate. She finna get it hooked up. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for more. Hopefully that video helped you. If it did, go ahead and press the like button. Go in, boo. Go in your house.
Go in there. That's your house, man. Go in there. Go in there. Go get it.
Go get your toy. Go get your toy.
Get your toy in there.
No more crate. Say bye to the crate, Rain. You got your house now. That's your new house. Yeah. You laying on your bed?